They're popping our generators.
We're losing pressure. We're losing pressure. Cryogenic system is failing. We're losing NBE-1.
.40mm Sabo rounds on that table.
You gotta take me to my car. You have to take me to my car. He's gonna know what to do with the cube.
Your car? It's confiscated.
And unconfiscated.
We do not know what'll happen if we let it near this thing.
You don't
Nobody
know.
knows. Maybe you know, but I don't know.
You just want to sit here and wait and see what happens?
I have people's lives at stake here, young man.
Take him to a car. Drop it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Drop your weapon, soldier. There's an alien war going on and you're gonna shoot me?
No, we didn't ask to be here.
I'm ordering you under S7 executive jurisdiction.
S7 don't exist.
Right, and we don't take orders from people that don't exist.
I'm gonna count to 5.
I'm gonna count to 3.
Simmons,
Yes, sir.
I do what he says. Losing's really not an option for these guys.
All right. Okay. Hey, you want to lay the fate of the world on the kid's Camaro? That's cool.
You gotta stop! 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 No, no! Stop! 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 Let him go! Let him go!
You okay? They didn't hurt you, right? Okay, listen to me. The cube is here, and the Decepticons are coming. No, don't worry about them. They're okay, right? They're not gonna hurt you. Just back up a little bit. He's friendly, he's fine. Okay, come on. Put the guns down. They're not gonna hurt you. Here, come with me. We're gonna take you to the Allspark.
Oh, okay, here we go. He doing something. He doing something.
Message from Starfleet, Captain.
Let's get to it.
He's right. We stay here, we're screwed with Megatron in the other hangar. Mission City is 22 miles away. We're gonna sneak that cube out of here, and we're gonna hide it somewhere in the city.
Good, right.
But we cannot make a stand without the Air Force.
This place must have some kind of radio link.
Yes.
Short wave,
Right.
CB.
Yes.
Sir, you gotta figure out some way to get word out to him. Let's move.
In the alien archive, sir. There's
alien
an
archive.
old Army radio console.
Will it work?
Anything's possible. Do you see that?
All right, Sam, get in the car. Mr. Secretary, get our birds in the air. When we get to the city, we're gonna find a radio of X Vector or men, okay?
Affirmative. Warning. NBE-1. Cryocontainment failing.
Set up perimeter around the yellow vehicle.
This way, this way, this way! Up there! Push it on!
Megatron.
Cube's okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Well, put the seatbelt on.
Where is the cube? The humans have taken it. You fail me yet again, Starscream. Get them!
Over here, sir. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Come to me, Maxwell. Come to me. Plugged in there. We're hot. We're live.
Where are the mics?
Max?
This doesn't work without mics, Simmons.
No!
Let's find them.
Get in the chair. Just get in the chair, right?
I'll sit.
They steal everything out of this place. How do we get the signal out?
How do we call the Air Force?
Glenn? Huh? Can you hotwire this computer to transmit a tone through the radio?
What good is that?
Morse code. You can use this to transmit it through that.
Okay, I'll do it. Turn it around. Okay, let's see. Simmons, I need a screwdriver.
There's Optimus.
Almost done. What the hell was that?
Barricade the door. 65463.
Here! Put some rounds in.
Master search. I got it! We're transmitting!
Saying exactly what I say.
Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Burn, you sucker!
This is Defense Secretary Keller. Getting Northcom Commander.
Whoa! Whoa! What was that?
Authenticate emergency action. Blackbird 1195.
Sir, I have an authenticated airstrike order from SecDef. No.
What?
Same cop. Block him.